Leopardgekkoes macularis. They have perky personalities and make movements that are interesting to watch. Leopardgekkos are commonly yellow, white, and spotted with black dots. Hatchlings are striped and gradually change to a spotted appearance. There are several colourful and patterned morphs or variations. Leopardgekkos are mostly nocturnal, ground-dwelling geckos that are generally docile and easy to tame. They do not have sticky toe pads like other geckos, so they do not climb walls. But unlike other geckos, they do have eyelids. Leopardgekkos are not prone to biting and are usually slow-moving. They are known to be very vocal, especially when they are hungry, and they make chirps and squeaks. Geckos use their tails to communicate.